CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Dkhot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Dkhot na kisnatrikam bapher jong ka Khasi Students Union kila 1 hanong ba shilong ban ye Shim Bynta Shitrhem ha ka Elekshon Jied Nongkitkam bathama jong ka KSU ya ka bala pelong ha dinam hall ha jayao. Ha kanika election lawan Sakhi bat pait perman lang dekin Nongïalam Barim ka KSU. Kumban syupan kan mahang ni. Baha kanika election ki don lai teli ki kam ki baha khamat ki ba ki laingot ki Nongïalam ki la job suk klam yakhun. Namar ka jingbam don ki kertong ki ban ya ai reng persya. Ki lai teli ki kam ki kinthub yo president ya kabala job suk du samla Raymond Kharjana klam don ba yakhun persya. General Secretary la job suk du samla Ruben Najiar. But Vice President ya kabala job sok du samla penkemen sanmin. Ya kanika election la pelong da ka election committee jong ka KSU kabala yalam do uba Danny Kriem kum u chairman but uba Samuel Jarwa kum usketri.
bukan marbam. Ndai. Compare la ka barin, ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe, kum ki restaurant, bat ki way, ni pishat roti, shat kek, bat ki way, na ka Bynta ka koi ka kya jong ki pat ba nong bam nong di. Bat ba pinyo ka jing shania, naki, pidon kam bandon de ka license, ka papaka, ka bala itu da ka an, kata, ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril, link ba ka section, lai puwe, iwe. Kam de ka ba pinyo ka license, pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ko pihap pan upload ru tegi kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka judging kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang is khasihers pila ban letbet yak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya naka Bynta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.